How to fix can't be invited as collaborator yet. So, if you are having a problem like this one on Instagram, what you're going to do is to clear the cache of your phone. To do that, open your settings, go to General, to iPhone Search, and then look for Instagram. Once you're right here, make sure to click on Offload App right here and click on Offload App once again. And then you should reinstall your Instagram app and then try the collaborator or collaboration once again. If it still doesn't work, then you should open your Instagram, take a screenshot of that problem. So for example, I am posting a picture and then I cannot add someone as a collaborator. I shall take a screenshot of that problem and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. Go ahead on these three lines right here. Go to settings and privacy. Look for report a problem or help right here. You may click on that one. Click on report a problem. Click on report a problem. You may don't include this one or include it. And then type in your concern. So um I cannot add someone as a collaborator. And then you should upload the screenshots that you have and wait for Instagram to respond to your concern. So that's it. That's how you can fix can't be invited as collaborator yet. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.